Hi there, we bring you high-speed blister packing cartooning machine with full servo motor, has more accuracy and higher output, max capacity 250 cartons per minute. PID control system, heat forming is more uniform. Upgraded guide rail feeder, feeding is more stable and orderly. Optional ratio rejection system, made the entire production process error-free. Roller heat sealing, faster speed, smooth plate and no wrinkles. Modular box number indentation station, fast replacement. No waste edge cutting, safe materials. Fully automatic servo blister sheet feeder. Flat high-speed automated folding system. High-speed vacuum suction carton opening. To purchase blister cartooning machine, welcome to us.